having your eyeglass? Ay,
Kasi I have sore eyes.
oh my gosh,
Ay,
don't
mga
spread the
mata-mata.
virus.
She has sore eyes,
Yeah.
and she purposely put her eye in my eye.
Okay.
I don't know, how do, when you see people cry, why do you cry?
Yeah. That's a question for you.
Oh, I thought kay mama.
For you.
No, for you
not
because
for
you
Mama.
said.
No, because I don't know. I just feel deeply. Like if someone is
Yeah.
happy,
Deeply.
ma-happy po ko. If someone is sad, ma-sad po ko for them.
But I'm an empath too, but you're not on that level.
Both of you define an empath.
Kanang dali ka mo feel og emotion sa other nga people.
Don't you think everybody feels the same way?
Yeah, but not the same nga level.
Okay. So is it good or bad?
Good.
Ikaw.
Both in the middle, it's good and bad.
What makes it good and what makes it bad? Why do you immediately consider yourself as an empath? Just because you feel?
Because it's not because me, I na ako nag-choice na ginan. Many people observe that sa ako. Dili na nga, I labeled myself as amo ko ni, no, people see me as that type of person.
Yeah, people usually categorize that if you feel so much emotion to
Yeah.
another, they would say that. But sometimes, you know, it can camouflage as a cover for your own insecurity or experiences or trauma. I'm talking about in general, that people sometimes say that you are an empath, but actually, sometimes the emotion stems from the fact that you had experienced it before and you tend to put yourself in their shoe because you experienced it.
Pero if you don't have an experience,
Then that's an empath. Like you cannot relate actually
Yeah.
in reality. But if you can relate it and bring it towards your experience, then that is just a connection to what you have experienced before. Pero in being an empath is like you easily get connected to the people surrounding you, right? Okay, so why is it good?
Okay lang, I don't know. It's sometimes good, sometimes bad. Depends on the situation.
So is it good to be an empath?
yeah, I feel like. Pero dapat na po kayo discipline, hindi ka madala sa emotions.
Oh, I think that's the point there. It's good.
It really depends on the situation
Yeah.
you're in.
Kaya,
Say,
lain mo pud mo if more ka cold-hearted nga, I don't really care nga, mo,
Nandiyan.
I don't really care nga namatchan siya og pet, or I don't really care nga wala kay money, I don't really care, no, I think dili siya good nga character nga i-develop ni mo sa imong life. Nga ingon na kang I don't care, you're the I don't care type of person. For me, like for me lang.
Well, that's the good part sa being an empath. You understand. I think being an empath is good. But you are both right. You need to have a boundary. Okay. Actually, it's not dependent on the situation, but it depends on how you create your boundary. Even if you are related or not related. Like, kung empath ka ba, you easily feel, right? So just give your sympathy, recognize it, but do not nurture it inside you. I think that is the problem with you.
Yeah.
Na? So when you are an empath, that's what they say, but you also have to take care of yourself. Meaning to say, do not allow that to consume you. So how do you do that? What are the means? Like if people are watching now and they're like you, nga they feel pity, they feel immediately fall into the emotions of the person that they're watching or observing. So what can be done? Like you, how do you cope?
I divert my attention.
And it's gone immediate.
No, not really like mag-listen ko music or I watch funny nga mga memes. mga-
Correct. Now diverting the
Or-
focus, attention.
Sometimes if let's say for example makarelate yung ko, sometimes I write down na. I write a lot, but normally ako na siyang
Throw lang.
Okay, I don't want people to know nga. Okay, I feel like if ako siyang ma-write, ma-okay na ko dahil like, mo ni di ay.
But does that happen, you know the person most of the time? Or wala
No.
lang, random strangers
Even
lang yun
sa
siya?
reels.
Sa most,
Even
sa mga
reels,
ginawatch?
Yeah, like if for example, nag 1 year death anniversary yung cat. na,
Affected ka. I think because you love cats.
or kana nakabaw ko nga dili na endangered species ang panda, happy kay ko ning
So mostly animals?
dili people po.
People.
I even give sa kanang kuan mga Gcash.
Ganit. Oh my gosh.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Like, for example,
Post ko ba ay?
Kaya may yun ang call nga, may lolo needs medicine, inana, like, ako ay may 5 peso ko. Masan ko 5 peso, inana, it can be a help. And I
That's
don't have
good,
much.
that's
I don't
good.
have much, but...
Ikaw, Yash, have experience nga sa impact, ma-affect
No.
ka gid.
I don't know, like, as a normal person, yeah, guru, na like, oh, something happened to them. So obviously you feel sad, but not to the point where I'll bring it to my own life. 'Cause
Correct.
why am I really? I'm not really related to them, but I care for them. But I'm just not really
So-
related to the problem.
So how will you
I'm only an empath, like naluoy ko nga, ala, ang amo ni, like, ala, ang manong, he's always here,
Only
wala
luoy?
siya. Not really luoy, but sometimes I feel sad if I was like in their position.
Like, happy.
Happy, I don't
Ah.
really relate.
No,
More of
like-
sad lang, jud ko.
Na like, ka na...
you feel the joy of others?
Yeah, kana po mo, like, grabe ko na, nakagraduate yung magna ko na, I'm so happy for you, like, grabe yung, buang guro ko. I feel like I'm crazy.
I don't think so. For me, I'm happy for you, but I'm not happy like whoa like that. Just like I'm happy for you. Like I care for you. I'm happy for you. Congrats.
So mo na yung boundary.
Yeah.
Ah,
I'm not
when-
that expressive.
So when you Yash, for instance, in China, when people you feel sad about it, right? So once na ma-feel sad ka, do you take effort na mawala siya sa imong mind like si Nikki, or wala lang, it just flows out?
Wala.
Wala. So kung other people, let's say,
Mga funny guru eh. Pero sa sad wala jud ko.
okay, yung mga sad di man, attach
Ay,
mo.
na-sad jud ko like if it's my favorite show, Abby, and then I know the characters, di ako masad.
Yeah, so that's also, pero how do you manage that? Pareho ni Nikki nga
Wala lang,
ginadivert?
mas scroll lang ko.
So ga-flow lang, ka-out
Yeah,
lang
I just
siya.
scroll.
So not too much effort.
No.
So mas meaning to say mas stronger iya boundary, meaning stronger iya realization na oh that's not a life, no, that's a story. Yeah, that's a movie. Yeah, pero kung sa real life, paano man amo man gapon, it just flows out.
In your life, give me a situation, B.
Let's say si Lola,
No what?
let's say naluoy ka, you feel pity for her or other people nga napiti ka, or like when you heard someone cannot go to school kay wala ni, or their house broken by the typhoon, how do you feel? Wala ka?
Sad ko, pero I cannot do anything.
Yeah, so what do you do? It's sad lang and then it pass by?
Yeah.
Ikaw, wala ka na.
Yeah.
Like bagyo or anything.
Masad ko eh. Like,
So how do you, but not as deep.
Masad ko ma.
Okay, so what do you do? Like say, you don't have money, you don't have anything to
Ano sa
give.
real sa real life?
Both, real sa real.
Yung katusunan sa 27 no, nasagi ko, I cannot donate anything. Wala. I just pray nga ako ang tanim. Okay, tapos tayo na sila food.
Okay, prayer of course is number one.
Oh.
Pero just to put a boundary, ano ni siya, i-transmute. Do you understand what's transmuting? Transmute the energy, send back to them the energy. So if you feel sad, transmute an energy of love. So ang ano mo siya, like kasi may mga typhoon.
Oh.
So if you, example, you're in a situation na you cannot give monetary or anything, just say 3 times, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. It's like transmuting to them that they will find ways or solutions in other people, not you.
What?
You should transmute, if that's
Ikaw
the,
ma, you're like Yash na.
that's what?
You're like Yash
Oh,
na.
Mama's a big empath. That's why she doesn't connect to things, to people, to
Okay,
animals.
kusog kayo siya mo.
No, she's
boundary.
like you.
Pero kabalo kang boundary.
Ask her.
She knows how to put her boundaries, but if she doesn't put her boundaries, she's exactly like you. Copy paste with siya. Pero she forces herself to become like me. Nas dapat strong ang
Oh, I
boundaries.
let myself. Kita ka na. Props to you.
No, because you have to be, because your life will be ruined as an empath. That's the negative part of being an empath. That's why Yashna said my good and bad. The bad part is when it ruins you. When it breaks you down. Go, give me that. That's mine. That's puko. So, when you break your life broke down because of being an empath, then that's bad. Because being an empath is a gift. It's given to you because the universe thinks that you can help in a way. Diba? In a way, meaning you bless them or maybe find other reasons or find other ways, not reasons, find other ways nga maka-bless ka.
Not really to the point po mo nga maguba ako life to. Not to the point nga pati ako maguba, pero mas sad ko
Oh,
girl.
you don't know, but your sadness triggers everything. So, ang approach mo even to your own, this is the energy contamination. Let's say, okay, nasad ko, and then, okay, I'm sad ko for one day. You just don't know that energy that you feel for one day will be transferred to your other efforts. Mawala siya dayon because ang zest mo for doing it, malesen because overpower ka with the emotion that is very low, subconsciously. not only for her, anything that lowers your energy down. Anything that brings your energy down, if you don't know how to pull it up or cleanse it, it will be transferred to anything that you do moving forward. Okay, let's say today, I'm an empath and I don't have boundary. I'm crying and crying and crying, but I realize, okay, it's not my life. The next day, na ako'y project, right? Without me knowing, that energy that I had yesterday will still be carried over to my project. So, I might be wondering, why man, I love this, and suddenly I lose it. I don't want to do it anymore. Why I feel low? That's because of that. That's the negative part.
Dili na ko mag-gets. Kay life, man jud mo may low, man jud. Mo jud nag-accept ng may low, man jud. Di na ko gets nga murag being, murag na direct na yun siya nga kailangan murag wala kay feelings towards other people kay para dili ma-low imong own
that's
life.
not the point. You did not hear us. I said boundary.
Gani.
Oh, so boundary, meaning to say like me, okay ha? You know nga, I will be very close to, like, even I don't want mga dogs, mga animals, right? So what boundary did I give? I don't put myself there. Because I know if time comes, life ends. And I cannot handle that sa mga pets. So nagput ko boundary, meaning I don't invest my emotions there on things that I know nga it will hurt me. Pero in your case, na kung empathy lang sa nagkakatabo on a daily basis, then you have to make sure that you forget it and then you cleanse it.
Pero kung sa animals ma, of course, even sa person, mamatay mo yun na siya.
Correct.
So, mabutang ko boundary.
If you can handle it or not, because there are
I'll
people.
be alone and sad.
Oh no, you're taking it wrongly. Ang namin na ko is, for example, we all die, right?
Yeah.
That's a fact. Me, I give that's an kung human, you have to interact, right? Like me, I have the families and everything. You mean to say because I'm an empath, I don't give 100% of my love to you or to him or to kuya or to dad? No, I give. But what I'm saying is on the daily life, you don't get yourself attached to the emotion of that particular person. It's enough that you feel and that you help solve, then done. Do not keep on repeating it. We've discussed it before, ha? Do not keep on repeating an emotion.
Ay, dili sa other people, ang mga emotions na repeat sa ko is akong self. Dili other
So
people.
which is we also talk na dapat di.
Yeah.
Basta it brings you down. I think that's it. That's the ano of being an empath. It's good to be an empath, but it's draining.
Yeah.
Especially if you don't have the tool, if you don't know how to cleanse yourself. It's really draining. Why is that smile, Yash?
And I remember that in IQ.
Yeah.
Why? What did you remember?
Why will you cry if pandas are not extinct anymore? Pandas are what, ano?
They're not endangered.
Yeah. Why will you cry?
Because I'm so happy. Nga dila na sila endangered. What's so wrong with that? I'm just so happy.
And when rhinos will be extinct, you're so
What's that?
sad.
Okay, that's a good discussion. Thinking from your kind of empath to her kind of empath, babe. It's strange to her, but it's not strange to you, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay, why man, babe?
But ikaw daw, why di mo ka happy?
I'm happy, but I won't cry out of joy. Like, oh.
Muana mo gud akong heart, oh. Muana jud akong heart na literal.
I think the point here is,
Kasi masakit
will
siya.
an occasion or will a situation affect your life? Amo na guro. Like si Ashna, she celebrates it, but doesn't have an impact on her life, right?
Yeah.
The moment lang. Ikaw, you celebrate it, but then, or you cry for it, but it has an impact on you. You start thinking, what if, what this, you expound on it unnecessarily.
I don't know, sa pandas?
So anything. So that's why siguro you have to put a boundary, Nikki. That's the thing. You have to put a boundary that
Nikki?
na ano. For instance, like I mean ka, you see someone in need sa street, di ba? So the best way to handle it is if your heart says give. If your heart says no, I can help in other form, then give. Then that is already an act of kindness. But you keep on dwelling, oh, what when he goes home, what will happen to his family? When he goes home, what, di ba? That's what
Yeah.
you say. So that's just not necessary. It's not putting boundaries. Right. That's the thing.
Met someone nga like me.
Yeah,
Nga
man.
No. Nagala pa ko kita og tao nga parehas na ko.
Oh no, I am like that.
No, dili nga ka nang mag-ride ka niya. Mayroon ka, lakin sa kaya mamog yan, papa.
No, guys, what's different between you and me? This sorry for the word, this S thinking, I kept to myself, you verbalize it.
No, ay, karon na kakabalo, kay karon na po
Hindi, sa ilaha.
No,
No.
You don't ask them? Oh, so that means to say, it's okay. Ako, I do that.
I don't do that to people. No, kisa ka na siya.
No, I mean to say you share.
No.
Okay. So, there's nothing wrong.
I told you na inanarajik ko nga person. Like, for example, kanang Erin, hala, asawa niya siya na.
Oh, no, that's not wrong. Ako, I do that, Nikki. I do that. Let's say, for instance, student niya sa student survey. When they tell us na the situation is like this, then I start to see that person. I said, what's happening behind this person, man? So that's called an auric reading.
Oh my God,
Like,
you want to do that?
you.
At the first time ako si mama.
No, we do that. This is not something bad, but this has to be managed. Like ako, I always feel that. Like when I see a person and then the person is something like, okay, someone in need, right? And someone give it. Then after that, I think, what would his life be? That's always inside my mind. What would be his life? Or even a celebrity. I would even say, oh, fame. What would his life be? What would be the... It comes to my mind, but it comes to my mind objectively. Meaning I think, okay, what's happening? But I don't feel like, okay, no, this is like this is like this. I play it. I create a scenario in my mind. Oh, that's nothing wrong with that. The only thing is if you create an emotion attaching to it, that's wrong.
Wala man.
Oh, so kung wala, then there's nothing wrong with it.
Kaya I see every people nga someone's precious child, someone's precious daughter, someone's precious
Do you
son.
sometimes imagine it na that person that you're imagining is like alone in the world niya, ga-create siya if siya mo makita?
No?
Nga siya, ako, I even do that. Na, let's say, siya ang nakita, what is his life? No, there are things that our mind will ask us to do. So, pwede na siya. So, there's nothing wrong with that. The important thing is, you don't need to attach yourself to it.
Wala man, makalimot ra po ko.
So, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Pero na-notice na ko ni mo, you are strange sometimes. Kaya nga no, dahil na-adyo kay moment nga, ma, so, kanamingon ka na ako, no ma, karon na ko musulti, agree po siya ni mo. I disagree with that. Because several times, you ask S things. You always say, ma, ang babae, mahilag siya. Di ba? Mahilag siya na, alam mo, what if mano o maano ni siya? You always ask that. That's already speaking, verbalizing what's in your mind. So I don't agree in you both na may ka mawala.
Sana, di ba yung mga...
This is what you do. This is what you do. What is what you do that you heard in a conversation, usually we talk about something. Then suddenly, what happens man if amo ni siya, no? Amo ni, you create a scenario nga ka-weird.
Pero ma'am, that's a genuine question.
No, that's a genuine question, but this is one of the things that I told you that's weird. You verbalize it. Ako, I could have thought about it, but I'll keep it to myself because that's something that nobody can answer you. Right?
So,
So,
answer ni mo.
that is the thing
No,
I
like,
have
there
to...
could be an answer na, for example, nagdako siya sa iyang lolo.
Well, we don't dwell into other people's life.
Mo, good
We don't
kasi kabalo mo na
chismis.
sa ask.
No, we don't do
Managap
chismis.
kasi siya siyang lolo.
You don't have, especially kung mga people, you don't have to interfere. That is what chismis na. I don't give a classy and meaning to that. That's a
Actually, ay,
chismis.
pero ka na mga unsa silang house. I wonder if ginating po na nila ako na mag-eat ko alone na sa Jollibee. Hello, unsa kinsa ka ni siya ano?
But that one, I also think about it. Na makita isa, sometimes think ko nga, siguro ga-office siya and then wala or maybe wala ga-balon. It comes to mind. It's normal. Because our mind always do that. But then, wala ko gadgal nga. Una ko siya. Pero
Ano ako nga, makategorize mo ko sa abnormal.
the only thing that you both have to remember, if you feel that there is someone in need, you have to do an act of kindness, however little. Kung ako, like example, ang beggar, di ba? May beggar nga, ganahan ka muhatag, may imong heart, okay? May naapod na you don't feel like it.
Yeah.
That's normal. Listen to your instinct. Then if you feel lang, hala, wala akong muhatag, because kindness can never be forced, ha? Di mo mag-plastic.
Okay.
Nga, just because I want it, or pakita ni mo nga give ka, no, give it to other people. Nga, you feel question sa empath.
Pero siya na, walay ka-impact-impact yung life. Ego naman, okay. Or, woo, happy! Inana na siya mo. Look at it! Niya pag-scroll. Depende siyang gina-watch mo po yung emotion.
Siyempre.
So in 5 minutes, no, kaya niya
Change.
20 kayo.
Yes, true. Pwede siya ma-celebrity, you know? Pwede siya ma-artist. Shifting the emotions.
Mahana ba na?
Di ko.
Ano ba?
No.
It's bago. It's bago nga dance.
I don't like text cat. Wala kita ka TikTok.
O, daraw.
Di ko na. Not my type. So, ang inyong message nila over there watching, if you
Be
feel
like
na,
me.
you don't have actually to label yourself nga empath, but if you
I
feel
don't
na,
think I'm an empath.
yeah, I mean,
After this, I don't think I
you
am.
don't have to use that word, no? You're just being human. That if you feel,
I'm not
Wala, you're not
human.
human.
No.
No, actually, no. Joking aside, if someone's watching and you feel nga you can relate to any one of them, then I think so. It's good to feel for other people. Pero ang importante lang is make sure that it doesn't impact or affect your life in a negative way. That it doesn't ruin, right? Because if you keep on thinking about it and you became low the whole day, then it's not going to do you any good. But if you're able to just share that emotions, transmute back, send blessings immediately, that's already a point on you that's karma, good karma, that you just bless them, transmute the energy.
Karma ka
That's-
magsolpera kag bless you, ma?
Yeah, that's a good karma. You're sending blessings basta genuine from your heart.
Genuine.
Genuine. Basta true from your heart. So, kinanglan, hindi ka mo-wish kung that's not it.
Kaplastikan dala, ma.
When you will know nga true na from your heart when you don't expect anything. But if you say nga, "God bless you, God bless you, God bless you," and then, I have a good karma, then that's just not it.
that's
Seven!
That's forced. No, you're still very selfish
Lord, 35 na!
that you are doing that. So, that's it. So, if a very good thing, if you have a good heart, important is you don't fake it, you don't pretend. So, if you feel something for somebody, remember, do not stop there. Do something. Do some act of kindness. Not necessarily to the same person, even to others. Let the good karma roll lang. Do its own rotation. How do you put boundaries? Did you answer that? That she's saying, actual experience is you shift your focus. You change, you watch movie, you watch mga TikTok or anything that's happy so that you can shift it. But shifting doesn't necessarily mean ngayon you did not care. You just want to end that emotion para di ka ma-affect. That's one coping mechanism.
So, yeah.
Coping mechanism na.
So, that's mine.
That's it. Scroll ka, di ba?
Scroll
Scroll ka.
ma. Mawa na dayon.
Oh, that's her coping
Like,
mechanism.
I just feel an emotion tapos okay.
Intensity ang the-differ ninyo. You are so deep, siya naman, she can handle it well ang yung ano. Okay, that's one. What's other coping mechanism? Pray.
Ayan.
Yeah. And then another one coping mechanism is to cleanse yourself. If you know how to do it, energy healing, then you do it. Apply it. Cleanse yourself. So coping mechanism is you shift your focus, then you bless them. Pray. Fourth is the Reiki. Reiki or whatever modality of healing. You cleanse yourself. You can cleanse yourself, by the way, even if you're not a channel of healing. You can cleanse it by salt and water and incense, whatever it is that purifies. Okay.
Masa strong.
Then this is an ad. Now, if you want to learn more, go to Daily Prana or get in touch with Galen Sharma. Okay, what else?
Ma, ansay mas strong, sage or incense?
It depends on the situation.
Huh? Abi siya na ko sage, kay usay ra mag sage. Ako bad spirit na juguro ni Mingson.
No, because I don't have sage. So sometimes because it's just I look for sage that really has that nice smell. An actual sage kay sometimes
We can plant.
sometimes mix man abi.
Wala na kay sage, ma.
I still have.
So, asa mas strong? Wag yapon mo gusto.
It depends on my mood.
Depends yan. She answered the 2 times.
I answered you 2 times. The energy or the triggers cannot be categorized in black and white. It depends.
Matit ka na.
This is one of those questions nga
Entity,
intuitive
say-
imong answer.
Entity kay sage, sabi na ko inana or kanang incense is
Well, they have an
entity.
impact. Like there are a lot of things like that, especially when you're doing astrology or cleansing. But for you as a ordinary human, just listen to intuition. What feels right today? I think that's the best guidance that I would say. Listen to your intuition. There's no perfect thing.